I've got a very simple dessert for you that's super filling and super low in calories, and also has a nice chunk of protein in there as well. The ingredients are simple. You just need 4 things: an orange, some dark chocolate, some honey, and some low-fat Greek yogurt. So we're going to throw this together. First thing we have to do is just put the bowl on the weighing scales so we're measuring everything accurately. Now what I like to do is also put the spoon in the bowl as well and zero it all, because when you start digging out the Greek yogurt, it's going to stick to the spoon, and if you're not calculating every calorie, all those licks and spills and sips that you have, they add up. So this way is the simplest way to get it right. The next ingredient I'm going to add is an orange. I'm going to peel it, and I probably recommend you actually chop it up into smaller bits as well. I just peeled it and segmented it and just threw it in there. I like throwing the orange in here because getting orange in on a daily basis is super important for your immune system and also your digestive system. So being able to have it in a dessert is fantastic. Now, feel free to use apples, to use watermelon, to use whatever other fruit you like. The idea here is we're putting in something that's low calorie but high volume to take up space. Because if we only mixed Greek yogurt and chocolate together, it's going to be satisfying, but it's only a small amount of food. And if we were to bulk it up to the size with the orange on in there as well, it'll be very high calories. Next ingredient is some dark chocolate, and this is the one I get from Aldi. It's individually wrapped as little squares. It's the perfect amount to add in, and all I do is just break it up. Now you can melt it, you can do it whatever which way. You can just throw it in as one large chunk if you want, but this is the way I choose to do it. Final ingredient we're adding in is a little bit of honey. Of course, don't forget to zero the scales and add in a small amount. You've already got chocolate in there. And there you have it, the perfect low-calorie dessert. Giddy up!